Hi guys, I thought I would tell you about a couple of new things that we have in the office, and there are some fun new products. I think you're gonna like them. We have these 3 new products, and you've probably already taken a look at the brand new unrestricted wafers, but these are now strawberry flavored and they are pretty darn good. So these guys have a net of 7 carbohydrates with 15 grams of protein and only 180 calories. And next we have this lemon matcha green tea, which I've already told you about, and you can have this in both like a warm or a cold tea. And this is only 1 gram of carbohydrates and 80 calories, and you get 18 grams of protein. So remember, full chain, branch chain amino acids involved here, so we get 90% absorption rate with our product. 90 calories in this hibiscus watermelon drink, and 18 grams of protein with only 3 grams of carbohydrates. So this is our newest thing that has just come in, and I'm getting ready to try that today. So I hope you enjoy all of the new products from Ideal Protein. They are always trying to increase our products and increase the level of quality. Here at Ideal Protein, we carry over 70 products, so you're not going to be bored with chocolate, vanilla, and strawberry shakes. We have pancakes, we have omelets, we have soups and risotto and mac and cheese, and all these products are filled with protein and made to help you burn fat. Looking forward to talking to you soon. Come see me.